out from the side of some goddamn mountain, the only survivor of Flight 543, Paul Jenkins!
Boy, I played for some dead audiences before, but this is ridiculous. I'm so hungry. Have you guys ever noticed when you're roasting the bicep of a muscular businessman, you start thinking about all the hours this guy must have put at the gym, working on his body, never fully realizing that in the end, all he was really doing was just making himself into a better meal? No? Nobody? Oh, that's right. You guys won't notice that because you all got to die. Relationships are tough, though. Do we have any couples in the audience? That's nice. My girlfriend is actually here. I'd like to introduce her. Ladies and gentlemen, Winona Ryder. I think what makes relationships so hard is that men and volleyballs are just so different. It's like men are from Mars and volleyballs are from a factory in Taiwan. There's some fundamental differences. It's like men are always trying to think of how to gather enough sap to move up their mouths so they can perform cunnilingus on Winona. And volleyballs don't understand suffering.
You're disgusting, Paul. If you weren't masturbating in that airplane lavatory, you'd be in peace like the rest of them by now.
The voice of my mother, ladies and gentlemen. Never gonna see her again. How about a character? I'd like to introduce the world's worst pilot. So, Mr. Pilot, how did you learn to fly? Oh, I don't know. I just looked at all the birdies and listened to that song by the Foo Cut your dick off and throw it on fire! You're not real. Oh, Paul. I love you. Have I lost my mind? Oh, Jeff, barely.